holidays are upon us.
My stomach is in butterflies.
I need to bake cookies and brownies, prepare my outfits, buy gifts for my friends. Oh my God.
It's a lot.
For a whole week before Christmas, I bake like crazy.
It's the food for us that gets us all together.
My mom is Mexican, so we prepare these tamales days in advance. We do plan this so that so many of us can be involved.
We also love making gingerbread houses and kind of have a contest who has the best decorated one. We're like running over each other, throwing flour at each other, trying to sabotage this person's food coloring.
The aunts, my mom, the grandmas, they're probably cooking right now for the holidays. It's like a restaurant kitchen. There's ovens, they're bringing in other ovens to make all the traditional Moroccan foods, but also traditional American dishes, brisket, turkey, potatoes.
A lot of times we Christmas carol. It's like blasting in our house to help spread love around the neighborhood.
Feliz Navidad.
Laughing all the way, ha ha ha.
The holidays are all about the season of giving. I ask the kids would they like to give gifts to neighbors and just leave them on the front door. We don't even put our names on them because it's all about the giving.
I actually already started ordering some, and so like they're just coming in thralls. I'm mostly excited just to wrap them. I love to just make a present look spectacular. I put candy canes in my niece and nephew's gifts and they just love that. There's candy on these presents!
Christmas without lights is not Christmas because duh, the reindeer have to see your house.
Decorating the house is the first step to take you from your everyday life into your extraordinary holiday life.
What about the light show? And we drive through millions of lights of all kinds. And the snow, when the snow would come.
It's snowing, Ma!
You see that first snowfall of the season really makes you super excited about the holiday season. I mean, I get the chills just talking about it.
Preparing my outfits beforehand for holiday season is definitely something I have to do.
So something I really love to wear every holiday season is my infamous Rudolph sweater.
I must have this hat 30 years. This hat is Christmas to me.
I always dress up like an elf and just go hang out by the tree at Rockefeller Center and be like, does anybody know where Santa is? Does anybody know where Santa is? All right, fine.
Get ready for the holiday season.
Get ready for the holiday season. Get ready for the holiday season.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from Harry and David.